Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I tell you very fast about the prediction of tomorrow market. Let's get started. What you see is DXY and we're going to talk about Forex market. We didn't have that much change yesterday because the markets, the banks were closed in the United States, but today we had some changes. What you see is, the power of dollar. At the same time, you can draw this line for tomorrow and you can have this line. It is moving toward the midline of the channel, which shows that dollar is getting, maybe stronger. And we have resistance here. The resistance shows the static line and midline of the channel. But if we have breakout and pull back to this zone, what we can see is stronger dollar for tomorrow. Okay, that's it. And let me just draw the other line. What you see right now is just a triangle, and we should wait to see the triangle is gonna break toward which size. Okay, if we have a breakout from bottom, we can see the midline of the channel. Otherwise, this part is on the way for you. Okay, about the next market we're going to talk about is called Eurodollar. Eurodollar had a kind of very small bullish trend, and what happened for Eurodollar was, it tried to get closer to 1.06, but what happened was we had a supply zone on the way, and exactly this zone we had resistance. And what you can see right now, you can draw this trend line for yourself and take a look at DXY at the same time. If we have a breakout of DXY, so I told you about everything, you can follow that. At the same time, you can see somehow it's not a very strong breakout, but in 1 hour, let me update it. Yeah, somehow it's getting broken maybe, and if it gets broken, so what we see is 1.05 and then 1.04 and 3 on the way. Okay, about pound, it happened what I told you exactly. It had the same day like euro, and let's wait for the lines. Yes, well, I told you that it is going to try to make the price closer to this zone. What happened was something bearish today. Tomorrow, British pound is gonna have very important day, because we might see the economic indicators against pound. At the same time, what I see is the start of bearish trend, and if we have more inflation, unfortunately this time, because of the currency, I guess it is gonna have reverse effect on Great British Pound, and what we see is gonna be something bearish for British Pound. Okay, but the next market would be Japanese yen, which had a historical day, and after many years, from 1998, I guess, or 1989, I'm not sure, we didn't see this price, and suddenly 136 was available, And this amount, 136 to 137, is the historical, resistance for yen. What we will see here would be some reaction, and in long term, again, dollar is gonna get stronger since Japanese yen didn't have any raise for their interest rates. All right, the next market would be Canadian dollar and United States dollar. So Canadian dollar got stronger since they have a great economy these days and everything is for them, not against them. And what you can see here right now is something bullish, and I guess we might see 0.77, then 0.78 very soon, and 0.79 after that. But market is unpredictable, and this is just a piece of analysis. You could go for your own analysis, and it is just the way of, I don't know, my trading, okay? It's not financial advice at all. USD AUD is the last market. And I told you that we didn't have that much change, these days, Monday and Tuesday. We were just in a trading range, something like this, and nothing happened seriously because we didn't have that much, important economic indicator. But you can change your, candles to 1 hour. At the same time, you can draw the same, and we're still in a bearish trend, and the United States dollar is getting weaker. At the same time, here we have a strong, resistance. If we have breakout from either side, so we could have the rest of the trend bullish or bearish. And if it's getting bullish, the first zone would be 1.45, then 1.46. If it gets bearish on the way, we say 1.42 is not out of mind. That's it. Have a great, trading day, and bye for now.